Guys, alam nyo ba yung binansagan nilang mini kaparakan dito sa Kiangan, Ifugao permanently closed na daw. Ang reason? Kakulangan ng disiplina ng ibang bumisita, may mga nag-iwan ng basura, sinira yung mga tanim, at may uminom pa mismo sa ilog. Sayang, ang isang potensyal na maging tourist destination sana, baka tuluyan ng mawala. Buti na lang, few days before mag-close, nakapunta kami dito. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami sa biglaang lakad namin kasama ko si Kuro. Instead magmotor kami, nag-tricycle na lang kami just in case umulan pag uwi. Kasi nga rainy season na ngayon. Since hindi rin kami familiar sa lugar, nagtanong-tanong muna kami and ayun, malapit lang pala dito guys.
Press rewind and start again. I wanna play that scene when we first met. Slow down time to watch you walking over. Silver screen perfection, golden mirrors and hazel eyes. You were staring back at me, glowing in the night, calling all attention. I was overtaken by surprise. Now your face is all I see when I turn out the light. Lay awake till the sun comes up, thinking through every word that you said. I could wait forever just to hear your voice in my head. Press rewind and start again. I wanna play that scene when we first met. Slow down time to watch you walking over. Cast myself the leading role before it fades out to a life alone. Don't wait, magic hours almost over. I can hear myself stumbling over those lousy lines. You were waiting patiently, laughing as I tried. On the day you left, I told you I would look for the signs. Now your face.
Guys, maganda dito. Sulit na sulit. Sulit na nga kasi malapit lang. And as you can see, napakalinis din ng tubig nila dito. So, maliligo sana kami kaso wala kaming dalang extra damit kaya babalik kami dito with extra damit. Yeah. So, sabi nila mas maganda pa daw pag maraming tubig. So, ngayon, yung naabutan namin is sakto lang yung tubig niya.
So ayun, babalik pa sana kami dito next time. Pero ayun na nga, wala nang next time. Kaya sana maging lesson ito sa ating lahat na maging disiplinado, ingatan ang kalikasan, at mag-iwan ng footprints at memories, hindi basura. Sayang.